Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you one really simple way to update drivers in Windows 10. If you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and then you need to go to Device Manager. Here you need to find component which you want to update. For example, I go to Display Adapters, and here I will select one from available graphic cards. So I click right mouse button on Intel HD Graphics 530, and then I go to Update Driver. Now you will see this one question: how do you want to search for drivers? You can search automatically for drivers, or you can browse your computer for drivers. I recommend you to select this one option, search automatically for drivers, and if there will be any available drivers to install, they will be installed automatically. How you see, we have here this one information. The best drivers for your device are already installed, so it's why it wasn't updated now, because few days ago I installed new drivers, but in your situation maybe these drivers will be installed. So if the process will be finished, you need to click close button, and then I recommend you to restart your PC to be sure that the changes have been successfully implemented. It's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.